How can I correct an invalid zip code?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common but important issue: how to correct an invalid zip code. If you're sending a letter, package, or simply filling out an online form, having the correct zip code is crucial. So, let's get started.
What is a zip code?
A zip code, or postal code, is a numerical code used by postal services to sort and deliver mail more efficiently. In the United States, a zip code is typically a 5-digit number, but there is also a 9-digit format, known as Zip +4, which provides more precise location data.
Why is my zip code invalid?
An invalid zip code error can be caused by several reasons. You could have entered the zip code incorrectly, the zip code could have changed recently, or the website or system you're using could be outdated or faulty.
How do I find the correct zip code?
To find the correct zip code, you can use the USPS's online zip code lookup tool or similar services in your country if you're outside the US. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to the USPS Zip Code Lookup tool. You can find this by searching USPS Zip Code Lookup on your preferred search engine. 2. Enter the city and state. In the appropriate fields, enter the city and state for which you need the zip code. 3. Click Find. This will generate a list of zip codes for that area. Remember, always make sure you're using the correct and most recent zip code for your location.
How do I correct my zip code?
If you found that your zip code is incorrect, follow these steps. 1. Go back to where you entered the zip code. This could be a form, a website, or a shipping label. 2. Clear the incorrect zip code. Make sure to completely erase the incorrect information. 3. Enter the correct zip code. Use the correct zip code you found using the steps in the previous section. 4. Save or submit your changes. Make sure to save your new zip code, or resubmit your form with the correct information. By following these steps, you should be able to correct your zip code and avoid any invalid zip code errors in the future. That wraps up our guide on how to correct an invalid zip code. Remember, having the correct zip code is vital for proper delivery of mail and packages, as well as for accurately filling out online forms. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.